If you have missed any of the videos, I'm gonna leave it in the description box because you need to see the challenge from the beginning. But if you did, you are here and congratulations! You are completely there with your Instagram feed. You chose your aesthetic, you did your photos, you did the hard work, you did your hashtags, you share part of yourself. You really are taking your photos and your Instagram to the next level. Now it's the final moment. And today I want you to finish posting the photos that we have been working on. So today and tomorrow you're gonna post the last 2 pictures that we have been working on this whole time, and then you're gonna take a screenshot. You're gonna see that the first line on your feed, it's already changing. So I wanna see the transformation. And also let me know your Instagram in the comments so we can support each other. You can see other people's comments and check it out and check their account and support their account, and we can become a really cute and vibrant tribe. I give you all the tools that I actually use to plan my feed, like the planner, the filters. If you want more help on how to post per se, I have the full-on course. I'm not photogenic and how to fix it. And if you want the summer edition because you're about to go to the beach or something, I have the special guide for summer. So I got all the tools that you need, and I can't wait to see all your content in social media. Please tag me. If we want to be entrepreneurs or influencers, we become content creators. And we're expected to be consistent, creative, fun every day. But we don't feel creative all the time, and this is completely normal. Also, there's so much to do that then we start getting frustrated that we don't have enough time. And that's exactly why I created the social media planner. The amazing thing about this planner is the layout, because you can save time, you can really focus in what you need to create and celebrate the way you're growing. I added quotes and stickers to be inspired every day. I'm so excited for you to get all these benefits. Link in the description. If you enjoyed this challenge, the only thing I ask you is to share in social media, show me your results, and share it with your friends. Let them know that you did this awesome challenge and here are your results, and they can become part of the tribe as well. Remember, you're beautiful and you're special, and today is your day to shine.